Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the word directorate. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The Directorate of Marketing is responsible for overseeing advertising campaigns and promotion initiatives. A directorate is a group of individuals who oversee a specific department or function within an organization, typically led by a director or head. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.